everybody, this is me, Zach. I'm going to be showing you guys how to jump or use a pogo stick. So, first of all, you're going to want to, feet, you're going to want to put your foot, whichever foot you're comfortable with, on one part, and then you're going to want to jump like that. So, boom. And then the first step is, got to catch your balance, okay? So when your feet are on, boom, balance, keep your balance, do that as much times as you need, and when you're jumping, keep the handlebars close to your body so it doesn't run away. It's like it's right here, you're like falling, okay? So see how my handlebars are close to me, okay? And then just try to do as much jump as you can. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you figured out how to jump on a pogo stick.